you, Nitin. I think it has been a wonderful, campaign, as far as I am concerned. Quite a few of these concepts were known, but I think, Nitin, the fact that this was all put into one canvas, and I think it is now all putting everything together and, making it a very logical flow. I think that really helped. I think the logic per se for me was missing. Yeah, although the terms per se, were known, but I think, it has all come together as part of this session. It has been a wonderful, effort from each one of us, including you, Nitin. And I think kudos to you and the entire team here for making this a very wonderful exercise. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
All right.